Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later, because lock screen customization depends on that. Once done, unlock and either open Settings then Wallpaper, or press and hold your current lock screen to enter edit mode immediately. Make sure your photos are backed up in Photos or iCloud so you won't lose originals while experimenting. Now choose Add New or tap Customize. That first action takes you into the Gallery and Widget choices where you'll pick the image to display. Next, you pick and modify the image. Tap Photo to choose a single picture or Photo Shuffle to rotate several. Pick an album or camera roll, and then pinch to crop or reposition for best composition. If the image has depth, use Portrait Effects or tap Subject to isolate the person and create layered text. Adjust color filters and blur to improve visibility. Then select a clock font and add small lock screen widgets, making sure clock contrast stays readable against the back. To finish, tap Done and then Set as lock screen. You can also apply it to both lock screen and home screen or tie it to a focus. If the new image won't apply, restart your iPhone and check for pending iOS updates, because system bugs can block changes. Make sure the photo format is compatible, switch from hike to JPEG/PNG if problems persist, and if cropping or blur looks wrong, reopen in Photos to refine the crop and reapply. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.